This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to program a 2017 Ford Expedition key fob. Start with both original keys and the new fob inside the vehicle, doors closed and all accessories off. Turn ignition to run without starting, then back to off, repeating a specific sequence to enter programming mode. Follow the button presses on the fob to sync and test each function before exiting. If it fails, retry this. Begin by gathering the original programmed key, the new blank key fob, and your vehicle owner manual for reference. Ensure the vehicle battery is charged and all doors are closed to avoid interrupting the programming sequence. You will use the ignition cycle and fob button presses to enter programming mode and sync the new fob to the vehicle computer. Work calmly and count each step for safety to avoid mistakes. Start with both keys and the new fob inside, all doors closed, and the ignition off. Insert key and cycle ignition from off to run 8 times, ending in run to enter programming mode, then remove the key. Within 30 seconds, press any button on each fob to program, starting with original and ending with new fob, waiting for locks to cycle. Test lock, unlock, and panic functions before leaving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.